Hello, precious people. Good evening to every one of you. Good evening, my friends. Good evening, my family. Good evening, everyone. God bless you all, and a happy weekend to you all. Today again, I am going to talk about braggers, people that brag. So my topic is bragging. God bless you all. So I want to explain two set of people because we have original bragging and we have fake bragging. So before I continue my topic, let me try to share this video that some people can come if they want to. God bless every one of you that will watch me now and that will watch me later. May God continue to bless you all and show you more love. God bless every one of you. God bless you all. Thanks for coming. God bless you. I appreciate you. God bless you. God bless every one of you. So let me share this video and I will continue with my topic. God bless every one of you. God bless you all. I think that is me there. God bless you. So I want to talk about bragging. People that brag. We have them everywhere. We have the fake bragging and we have the original bragging, especially on this social media. So people use topic to bring people down and they complain about everything people are doing. They are not happy. Maybe as I'm here now, I'm just talking, doing my own thing. Someone will just listen everything. The next thing she or you will do is to bring out another topic. Try to bring me down. Maybe she will say, no, don't matter. Everything she said is a lie, is this, because and people are watching that kind of people. They are trying to regulate social media, but before they can succeed, we need to regulate ourselves. We need to regulate the way we talk. We need to regulate our teaching, because it is good to say the right thing to people than to say the wrong thing to people. It's very, very nice. It's okay to say what is right to people than to say what is wrong to them. Okay? So today, I will try all my possible best to explain two sets of bragging. Okay? One, we have the original one that come out of jealousy. And two, we have the fake one. Me too, I want belong. Me too, I dey. All of us, we are here together. So we have the fake one and we have the original one. So today I am going to talk about the two. The two. So my topic today, I want to focus on the two bragging, the original bragging and the fake bragging. God bless every one of you. So I'm still sharing the video to my group. So maybe some people are online. They can join me. And God bless you all as you do. So people are online, they can join me. Let me share it. If they are online, they can join me. Or they will watch the video later. Although I love to be alone sometimes, because if I want to talk, I love to be talking alone. To talk so that later I will come back and say, okay, here you try, here you are wrong. Next time you can do it better. Okay. So we continue. My topic today is bragging. And once again, good evening to every one of you. I am Faith Enagbare Osamuyi, public known as Divine Faith Orobosa, the talkative lady. So let me say myself. My name is Faith Enagbare Osamuyi. Many people know me as Divine Faith Orobosa, the talkative lady. And today's topic is bragging. People when they make maths, when they talk. We have the original bragging and we have the fake bragging. So I will first go for the original bragging because there is a connection. Okay, there is a connection between bragging and jealousy. So you can link them together. Bragging and jealousy, they can come together. Okay. Maybe you say somebody is an unreliable person. Fine, you can lead them together. You can lead them to brag, but there is something that you're not supposed to lead with bragging. I won't talk about it. So I will go for bragging first. The meaning of bragging is extremely proud and boastful. Talk about one's achievement or possession. Pride. People that have pride. Example of bragging. To brag is to define, is to talk proudly about your personal achievements. Okay, maybe like you are talking, oh, my promotion, my salary, my this, my dad, my cars, everything. I have this. That is bragging. People do brag, normal. Or I will say that one is original brag because they have it, they cannot keep it, they want to tell people what they have. That is original bragging. Most people that brag, they do it out of jealousy because I don't see many of them. For example, now, I said, I am here now, okay, doing my things alone, just doing my things. Someone can just see me. I say, so this is Faith. Okay, no problem. Faith, you are this, you are that, you are this, you are that. So you think you have everything. The next thing she or he will do, she will start to brag. Many people use their children to brag. I've seen many. Because they also know, oh, she don't have children, she don't have husband. Me, I have children. I have children. Thank God I have children. Look at my children. Look at my children. The next thing you will see, they will start shading their children. I just told you once, I said, stop shading your children. It is not nice. Stop bragging about your children. This is bragging. If you, even though you want to brag, you want to use your children to brag about their profession, their talent, their education. Don't use your children to brag because you see someone don't have children, you want to brag. You don't say okay fun because you want to show that you are better than me, then you start bragging. I have seen many. If they watch the video, they know I am talking about them. And I just call one because I love that person. I just, please, stop bragging. Stop using your children to brag. Stop shading your children. I have to unfriend her because I don't like what she's doing with her children. I just have to just offend her. Stop shading your children. If your thing is good, use that cover and wear. Okay, not because you want to say you say belong. Her face say that she ought too much. Me too. I have children. You will see them. Iye famoso. What is the meaning of famoso? Mother of famous people, mother or celebrity, mother or star. I am a mother of this, I am mother of that. I have seen many. They brag. They use their children to brag, which is very, very wrong and totally wrong. I know they have it. Their bragging is real. Their bragging is original, but it is not right to brag with your children. It is not right to brag with your personal achievement all the time. If people are talking about children, fine, you can also get, me to also have children, they are this, they are that. Nice. Not because you see someone dressing, or you see maybe this one is doing live video, or this one have this, she have this, and she don't have children. What I will use to mock her, I want to prove to her, I want to prove to him that I am better than her or him, is to use what you have to be mocking that person. And then you are mocking that person out of jealousy. What I know, you are just being jealous. This is jealousy. What is the business of your children? Don't have any connection with the way I dress. Your children don't have any connection with the kind of shoe I am wearing. Because you cannot afford that shoe, or because you cannot dress the way I do dress, you want to remember that you have children, that I don't have children, and you will continue bragging, or you will start bragging. It is not right because you don't know what you don't know who you are talking to. In Africa, back then in Nigeria, when I was in Nigeria, good mothers, they don't brag. They don't brag. You can never see them talking about their children anyhow. A good mother don't use children to mock someone because you don't know who you are talking to. Africa, we fear many things in Nigeria. We all, most parents, they are very afraid of many things. Even though their child is doing well, sometimes some parents will not tell you. They will keep it as a secret. No matter what, they will keep it as a secret, because even though their child, sometimes their child can be very sick, and you are very close to them, they will not tell you. They will not tell you. They will say, I don't want them to come and hurt to eat, because they love to keep their privacy. They love to keep their things. We are talking about they are children, they are personal children. They will keep it, good or bad. Some parents can never tell you. Some parents can never, even though you are close to them, you can be their best friend. They will cover everything up. You will not know anything about them, what is going on. They are good or they are bad, or you will not know, because they are guiding their children. But nowadays, in our generation, in my generation, children is what people use to brag. Sometimes they use children to do competition. I don't matter. I already have 3. She already have 1. Don't matter. I have 4. You don't want for me too. I want to get pregnant again. They are bragging, talking about their personal achievement, talking about, and some people will talk about their salary, talk about the kind of mansion they buy, or the one they build. No one has them. No one is talking to no one. No, I did not ask you to come and tell me about your mansion, about your children, about your husband. And if you choose to bring in on media and you talk about it, someone like me, I am a blogger. If I see it, if I used to blog you, I will blog you, so you cannot get angry, because you are the one that bring it to us, and we buy it and we want to talk about it. You cannot come and you cannot come and blame us, because you are the one that is bragging with everything you have in your life. You brag with the kind of clothes, you brag with your hair, you brag with your shoe, you brag with your children, you brag with your husband, you brag with your salary, you brag with your job, you brag with everything you have in this life is bragging. You brag with your car. At the end of the day, if you will check it very well, it is an act of jealousy. Because the person you are trying to break down, she or he is better than you. And the only way to prove to the person that you are more better or higher than the person is to brag. Brag about your personal achievements. Although they are real, although everything you said, they are good, they are just original, but it is very wrong to brag with your personal achievement. Don't boast. Edo where uponata your vein, ilawode or how would don't muse they must. That's me. If you wash cloth finish, you go put on for sun. Now even when the Bible say this cloth and this color fine, do okay. No be you go tell us. We see they will see the cloth say you put for sun. Good or bad, we don't really see for them. So don't brag. Bragging, it is not right. Bragging is wrong. Okay, that is original bragging. Many people are doing it, and it is very wrong, because you don't know whether I be wish. You don't know whether I be bad person. You don't know whether I get bad mind. So when you start shading your children, bragging about everything you have in this life, if I'm a bad person, do not know. So we should be very careful about what we do in and out social media. Because at the end of the day, people are learning from you, good or bad. Many people are learning from me, good or bad. I am still learning from many people. So it is better we teach people the right thing than to teach them the wrong thing. Bragging about your personal achievements, it is very wrong. Bragging about your husband, I don't have husband, I can snatch your husband. When you continue bragging about your husband, if the man better well, when he just go for bed, I go fit snatch him. And you cannot blame me. Now you bring her come outside before you talk about her. So me now I want Colombian. So it is very wrong to brag about personal achievements. Keep your husband, keep your children, keep everything that you have that is good. Everything that you have that you cherish should be private. Keep them private, good or bad. They are private things. Trust me, Africa have problems. Nigeria have a lot of problems to talk about than to come and be telling me about your personal achievement, about your children, about your salary, the way you make it, your makeup, your shoe, your clothes, your hair, everything. That is bragging. It is wrong to brag. It is wrong to boast. They are real. They can be rich. They're just original and good, but it's very wrong. Because either way, because I have another show, so I will not talk too much talk about children yet, because I have another show today that I want to talk about children. So it doesn't matter in this life. It no matter who they your front. Focus on what you are doing. I love myself. Many years ago, you don't want to say people they brag, but now the thing you come worst. People they brag well. And now the people that brag and brag and brag and brag, we say we know they brag, we know you're not for our mouth. Now we be the first, and they shock. You get my point? You brag, I had this, I just buy this, I just carry this, I just send them this, I just hello. If some people want make call, they will leave their home. I know them very well. They will leave their house. Then they'll come to my house. I was living with my ex-husband. Everything they want to plan for the month, they will nice hours before the planner. Hello, hey, I just bought this, I just said them this, I just said them. I will tell my husband, forget this matter. That's my ex. Just leave them. You know, not talk anything. When I love to share testimony, when you are done, this is just happen. You don't even tell us. That's just life. Life. Now no 1 million. Who say they don't get sense. They don't even tell us. They don't tell anything. They only do their own. They work out. Because people believe say who don't marry no go free get anything again for this life. If you do Europe, you quick marry, so you don't get anything again for this life. That is there, I believe. So they will come to my house, then come to our house. Everything they want to plan is in my present. They are doing everything in my present. You don't know whether they want without me they do it pass your own. You don't know. Because I just hate bragging. So stop bragging. If you have whatever you have, it is your personal achievement. Even though if I be your family member, so we are for the same family, don't tell me your personal achievements. Don't brag to me, because you don't know. I can be your sister, and I can be very wicked. Because you know it inside my mind. So don't even brag. Don't brag. Let people see what you have and appreciate you for it and praise you. You have tried, you have done well for yourself. You know, this is for yourself, not for me, not for the people you are talking to. You have done well for yourself. If you raise good children, you train good children, you have done well for yourself. If your children come out the best on me, they are the best on earth, you have done well for yourself and you have done well for the society. So bragging not give you anything. Can give you viewers, they will pay you money more than them. But at the end of the day, people that is watching you, they are learning bad things from you, which is not right. So don't teach what you don't know, teach what you know. Okay, don't teach what you don't know, teach what you know. Sell what is right to people, because people that is watching you, they are buying your show. Because I am paying for my internet. I said, if I sit down, I want to watch your show, I am buying your show. Okay, I buy your show, so I don't want to buy bad things. I want to buy good things, better things. So learn to educate people and learn to teach people the right thing. Don't brag. Any two person wear, it not concern you. Even so, people can provoke you to brag. Don't listen to them. People can provoke you to brag. People can provoke you to know everything about your life. They can do something that make you, and you too, you think you want to get, and me say I had this, I had that, I had this, I had that. You will start talking. And when you are talking, they are taking notes. They will use it against you later. So sometimes when people are bragging, just look at it and say, fine, this one you do that out of jealousy. Or you want, okay, but now good though, now done better, money and good, well, bros, sister, now do simple thing. Face your life, because if you build house, even that if I come there, no be for free, I go pay rent. If you build house, I know if you build that, you can't build. If me come, I can't carry one flat there, one room. I must pay rent now. So they told me, say you go come, they brag for me. Cause so it is good to stop bragging, because you want to bring someone down. Stop leaking. Stop bringing her to your private life, your privacy to public, because you want to try to bring someone down. You want to talk, say now you better pass. No, that is wrong, and that is very bad. It is not right to brag. To me, I would say don't even brag. Don't say it. I come on. Normally, you don't catch children. So some people always say, sister, though you don't born, how many you don't born? People will say, I come on. Even more. So people can never tell you they have this kind of this type of. They can never tell you how many. The question is, do more they're not going to answer you, because we come on. Okay, so we should learn to teach people the right thing. We are from Africa, we are from Nigeria, and some people are very dangerous. It is true. So you cannot link bragging with dangerous. You can only link bragging with jealousy. Okay? God bless you. Then you say unreliable. Good. Maybe you can also link bragging with unreliable people. Maybe they are fake. Their bragging can be fake. This one and that sets. They brag about everything they don't have in their life. What they cannot achieve in their life, they brag it. They are the boss, they are the CEO, they are the creator, they are this one. They are the one that employ people. They are the one that is even telling me to be doing live video. And the one that is giving fake topic. And the one that is buying all the clothes for me. And the one that is buying this F for me. And the one people brag, fake bragging. At the end of the day, they don't have anything. That's another set of people. They brag about everything in their life. Me too. You have this. Me too. Everything is me too. They cannot confess. They're like I don't know what to call them. I don't know what to call them. They will wait for you to say something and say me too. Everything you said is me too. You said this, me too. You are this, me too. They say you are a queen, me too. You are this, me too. You are beautiful, me too. Everything about it is me too. Bragging, nothing. So you cannot rely on these people. That's all. You can call them people as unreliable. Good. You can lick that one with bragging. Okay, fine. Because we have the original one without the fake one. So the people that say you cannot depend on them. Everything they are saying to you is lies. They don't have to lie. They don't have to brag. They brag everything. The house they not build. They say they build them. The car they not buy. They say they buy the car. Who they not build? They say so they build, because you don't know them Richards. You don't know them. I will give you an example. This is my house. You know, the house is a drama house. It's a funny house. This one a second Ninja house. The second Big Brother Ninja or Big Brother this thing. So anyone that came to rent us here loves competition. Everyone they love competition. And the worst part of it, they will be behaving like the boss. I can't brag. I am not the one that buy this house. I rent this apartment. I rented the full apartment by myself. So I give one room out. Normally I cannot live alone. So I give one room out. People love, you know what they call bragging. Brag. One can brag be. They will be my boss. One day, I was forced to ask one of them, why are you behaving like this? Me that rented this full apartment that I have everything. I'm the one doing the video, all the promotion, all the I'm the one that did everything, everything I have online, both the website, everything belongs to me. You are just here to rent one room. No. Since you cannot make shakara, we will make shakara for you. Since you cannot make shakara, they raise your shoulder now. Since you cannot raise shoulder, me as I the shoulder, you need to see the way she was behaving with the ring that she have. The ring not be like wedding, not be like engagement ring. When we say it day hand, you should not be the hair, not be the do yourself. When it's going out, she will repent her mouth. Do like this. I will be looking at her. Yeah, this is what a fake bride, because you have nothing here. You are just here to rent. You come here to come and rent one room here. You have nothing. Everything. The internet, everything belongs to me. I am the owner of everything here. Everything. The only way to not get is this house. Everything one they use here. Now my own. So you need to see the way some of them behave. You would. So you are not my boss. I am not your ass girl. One of them say you can't control people. We will control you. Really? Because so you just came here to come and rent one room. So sister, I can't control people. So you are the one that will control me. And I was laughing because it is very funny to me. Because everything you are just wearing your shoulder, doing everything, it is not yours. Not be the landlady home. Not my own. It is mine. Everything here is mine. Today now, if you say I want your pack, I will pack everything. If I want to pack now, everything in here, I will leave the house and remove everything because they are mine. I put everything here, everything you are seeing, everything belongs to me. Both the one they try to steal, both the one they steal, they belongs to me. So why are you bragging? Fake bragging for nothing. Like maybe I can swim, I want to swim, I must swim. When they put you for river, you could be like stone. You cannot swim, but you're bragging. Yes, now I was swimming. I swim before. I even go to Olympic and I swim. I won. Who will not put you for inside river? You could be like stone. You make it big. You know if you move. So people are just like that. Fake bragging. You cannot depend on them. They are very unreliable. You cannot rely on them. But sometimes it's good to ask them questions. It's good to you have to figure out what the problem is. That's what I did to all of them. I will ask them questions. Why are you behaving like this? So we say they sent me. They sent me. That they weren't telling me to be doing it. They weren't telling me to be insulting, to be raising myself like the boss. That is fake life. Fake bragging. You brag about everything. Some of them even told me to their manager. You told me to your manager. I don't even know you. Bragging. Me too. Just people know. You came here to come and you too. Yes. I rent the apartment. I cannot lie. Oh, this is not my house, so I rent it and I am paying for it every month. That is me for you. Why? Some people say, it's your house. No, it's not my house. Don't pretend. The house is not mine. It is rented apartment, rent. The house is not mine. So you came here to come and rent one room, then you are bragging. You are going on the street, people are just hailing you. People say, surface, are you the owner of those things? Fine, I am the owner. What's it called? Why they can't say that? That is bragging. You brag. You lie to people. People cannot depend on you. They cannot trust you because everything about you is just a lie. You were lying to them. You told me you are not my boss. I am not the manager of what? That is lies. And we say have a set of people on social media. If someone share your video, Someone share your post, like and comment. People are following you. My dear, the only thing you hold there is appreciation. And if you want to add more, you will give away. If you had the money, you can do giveaway. You do giveaway for some people. Thank you for following me. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for following me. Thank you for listening to me. Just thank you. You hold the appreciation, and you need to stop bragging. Stop calling your followers, your viewers, your audience, your workers. They are not bragging. You brag too much. Bragging on bragging everything. You brag too much. That is the reason people have minds to violate my privacy, hack my account, steal my business manager, and try to steal my 12 or 11 business pages away from me. And most people that did this thing, most of them don't even know that what they are doing is a crime. Because you teach them wrong thing. You encourage them to do wrong thing with your demonic bragging, your fake bragging. To brag. People now start respecting you, seeing you as the boss, seeing you as the owner, and they even call me their employee. So you want to employ me on my own platform that I create with my hand and without payment. You will employ me on my own platforms. on my own platform that I create with my hand, build with my hand, with my sweat. You are calling me your employee and you are the boss. And if I should ask you, where is the contract or where is the salary? You have nothing. You are here to steal, you are here to destroy, and you are using people. But they told me, do you mean all this is a crime? It's a crime. They don't even know as what you are trying to do is a crime. So I am still begging all the presenters, say what is right to people. They are your group, they are your team. Good, you are your team. Good. Don't encourage them to steal, to destroy, and to do evil to people. Stop bragging. You are not the boss. Stop bragging. You are not the business partner. I don't have business partners. Stop bragging. Stop bragging. That's it, fake bragging. You are not too fake. Everything about your life is fake. Some people have car. The car they cannot bring it out. Some people have houses they bought with stolen money. The money they steal. They will love to add. They cannot say because the money is not genuine. The money is not clean. Bragging. I want to belong. I must have them. That's fake bragging. Stop bragging. It is not right to be too proud. Fine, you can be proud about yourself sometimes. If people don't praise me, I praise myself. I am proud of myself. Sometimes, little by little, it's good. Little. But just continue bragging. You are this, you are that. You continue command, shift it, leave it, put it there. What is not yours? You are a thief, a criminal. You are not but a fake human being. Everything about your life is fake. Bragging, fake bragging. You brag about everything. People cannot trust you. People cannot depend on you. Because you are faithless. Your character is questionable. Okay? And the only way to stop them is to tell them what you will not accept. If you not go, this one love to brag. This one, everything about this guy or this lady or this woman, this girl is bragging or are fake. And if you cannot chase them away, just tell them what you will not accept. Other than this one, I will not take it from anybody, and I will not accept it from anybody. That is, you just let them know that I know you are lying. I know you are not real. I know who you are. But fine, this very one, I cannot take it. Continue your bragging, living your fake life. It not concern faith. But for me, and faith a nagbare osamu. For me, I will not do such. I will not pretend to be waiting. I know if it be for my life. That is, people, you can connect all reliable people with bragging, because you cannot depend on them. You cannot trust them. They are not trustworthy. Okay, God bless every one of you. So now I am moving to unstable. This is the reason I brought this topic. Unstable and anger, both of them. You cannot connect unstable people with bragging people. They are different kind of people. Okay, bragging can come out of jealousy, and all reliable people can also brag. That is fine, but you cannot connect unstable people with bragging. Okay, to be unstable is to lack stability. To be unstable is to lack. People say they're not that stable. They lack something. Something is going on with them. They're not okay. They're not fine. That is the reason, before you judge people, you need to know the reason they behave the way they are behaving. Okay? I cannot. That's why they say, faith. They give chances. Fine, I give chances to people. I bear nonsense with people. Sometimes I just wait till that very moment I will say, no, enough is enough. Everything handy. But I give time. You do one, I leave you. Do two, I leave. Did I leave you? I know they give you time. Because I want to know the reason you are behaving the way you are behaving. So to be unstable is to lack stability. Okay? They change without warning. It's just change without warning. You don't even know what is going on with you. Okay? Like maybe you just say people, they're not okay. They are not in the right shape. They are not in their right senses. Okay? Like for example, now I just carry this phone now. I put her for somewhere. I don't put her away. It fall because I don't put her away. Not they stable. I know it fall for ground. Hey, these people they just like that. They don't stand where. They are not okay. They don't understand themselves. That is unstable people. God bless every one of you. So to be unstable is to lack stability. They are not okay. So you cannot say they are bragging. No. Unstable people, they don't brag because they themselves, they don't know what they do. If you are unstable emotionally, you may be very happy 1 minute and be very depressed, very sad, and get angry in the next minute because you are not stable. Okay? If you are unstable emotionally, you are not stable, you are not okay, you can be very happy, dancing and rejoicing. The next minute is just depressed, anger, sad. So you cannot connect that kind of people with bragging people. They don't brag. Something is wrong with them. They are not okay. So before you bring out a topic to teach people, I will advise every one of you to go to research very well. Ask questions. Don't tell people what you don't know. Stop teaching what you don't know. Because unstable people, they are not okay. They are very happy. So you continue asking what is wrong with them. So I ask people, you will be very happy. What is going on? I don't even understand. They will tell you, I am not okay. I don't understand myself. They can be very happy. Before the next minute, you all change. You look their eyes, there's anger, they are depressed, they are sad. So you cannot connect that kind of people with bragging. Whether fake bragging or original bragging, they are not brag. They are not just okay. They are not bragging. They are not okay. They are unstable, mentally unstable, emotional, everything about them is unstable. They need help. Okay? God bless you all. Now let's go to anger. Anger is a strong feeling of annoyance, the pressure of or hostility. Anger. So you cannot connect anger with bragging. Some people can fake anger. Maybe they're hurting. Trust me, some people, when they're angry, they are angry. When they vex. It's a strong feeling of annoyance. They upset. Because something went wrong or something bad, injustice, personal worries, personal problem can get person. I think about my personal problem, and you they carry your come meet me, you they mad. Anger don't start. So you cannot connect anger with bragging. They're two different things. I have personal problem, and you are here carry your come meet me. Now you're the craze. Anger don't start. That is anger. It's feeling of annoyance. They don't upset. Maybe something happened to the injustice, whatever. So you cannot say, oh, these people. No. Bragging is very different from unstable and anger. These two things now got my attention for the show when I watch. People unstable, people that get angry. Yeah. Who told you I don't have right to get angry? We are all human beings. Even the Bible says you are the right to get anger. You are the right to get angry, but do not allow sun to come down. You get anger, you vex, you just cool down. So anger and unstable people, it is feeling. They are not bragging. If you say jealousy, yeah, good. Jealousy and unreliable, they go with bragging. Because people that brag, they do it out of jealousy. They want to bring someone down. They want to talk someone. They want to talk someone down. They want people to look down on someone. I'll give you some example. Many years ago, when I still have friends, then they go church, do everything together. Maybe you see some person put that that is good. She's just nice, so kind. I love the way she sing. I love the way she do things. Or that brother, look at the way the brother preach. I love the way the brother just lead that prayer and everything. And some will say, really? You're the president like that. You don't know if you know. You don't go praise them. So if I know I'm not go praise them, they go out of jealousy. They will start counting. And counting what that person did to them. I was not there. And I will ask my question. So you want me to come and inherit your hatred? They know me. I don't do such. You cannot tell me someone is bad or see that person prove to me that the person is bad. God, I love to praise people then. The way you sing, the way you talk, the way you preach, the way you lead that prayer, they give me joy. And I just like that sister. I love that brother. When they finally use their mouth, this this person. When they finally use their mouth, talk. They go bring this person. They will reduce the person to nothing. If you know why, you are going to inherit their hatred for the person. And trust me, if you are good, you are good. As far as faith is concerned. Unless you prove to me that you are bad. When I love you, I like you. No one can change that. Unless it's okay, I can say, okay, they be tell me, I know here. I would like to discover it myself. Don't tell me, let me discover myself. They be tell me, I know here. I was okay, they be tell me, I know here. But if tell me, said, no, forget that matter. If I love you, I like you. That's what they do to people. So people that brag too much, they do it out of jealousy. Me, don't mind him. I was there, and I mean, they're supposed to use. They call it everything. They got around the teaching, the everything, and they call it give out to. They out of jealousy. In churches, we have them many. Inside the music group, we have them many. Jealousy, the way if you lead that people share body, best way they suppose you go to vex. If they say, you what a lovely voice, this one with the vex. I know them very well. So they will start counting their achievements, what they have done. Especially that person that they are praising don't have child. They will forget that they decide church. They will start using their children. Because their children, he get a name, mother of this, mother of that. It's not easy to give birth to. You don't know. To say easy. It's long. People have been doing it for long. Nowadays, if I see them, what I will do, I will just unfriend them. Because I know them very well. I know what they can do. Before, when I was very young, about let me say 10, 11 years ago, I would be crying. But nowadays, you can, all those things cannot make me cry. Never. Because I don't believe it's okay. If you tell me about your children all the time, because there is something about me that is making you to be talking about your children all the time. Because waiting a half, you will not get them. So the only thing that you know I don't have that you can use to bring me that is children. So continue bragging about your children, and I will continue watching you. Simple. If I cannot bear it anymore, I will offend you and I will stay away from you, because you are shading your children. And if I comment, maybe I say something about it, although they are blocking me, they are trying to block me that people will not see what I'm doing. If they leave me the way things should be. If I comment, people will start replying, because you are the one that shade your children. And I don't want that kind of thing to happen. Even sometimes people don't even reply. They will call me and tell me, well, don't mind them. They will still call me. Starface, just don't even mind them. They will call me. Okay? So if I comment, I say something, people will react to it. So people today, you think, oh, Starface, we don't like her. Forget the matter. Forget it. Some people in this today, in Victoria today, hate some people because of what they did to me. Sister Faith, you know, that kind of person, I don't talk of my life, I know greet him again, because what that person do to you, it don't make me vex. Sister Bros, I forget the matter now. Start move forward. Oh, Sister Faith, Emma, they can be saying you think that are with you, they are not with you. So I will advise you, because you don't know who you are talking to. Some people cannot fight. There are people that will fight the fight for them. And you will see all these celebrities, presenters, when something happens, so then they will not talk. Their fans will be the one bringing the fire, the install, the causes. It's for their fans. It's for their fans. It's all for their fans. And those people, they have wish. They have criminal. They have different kind of people in their midst. So stop bragging. Stop shading yourself and stop shading your children. Okay? Their fans are the one that will fight. Their fans are the one that will insult you. Their fans are the one that will threaten you. Their fans are the one that will do different kind of. Some people, sometimes all these celebrities, they are on their own. Something have happened, they just move on. But their fans will not allow you to be. They will deal with you. They will drag you. They will drag you to number nonsense. The same thing with TV presenters. All these presenters, they will drag you. Social media presenter, the same thing with them. Their fans, their followers are the one dragging you. They're the one calling. They are the one looking for information. Finding your background, looking for something to make you cry, to mock you. They are the one that will bring your video and manipulate it. These people are the fans. So, before you come out to come and teach people, educate people, I will advise you to do your research very well. Because you cannot connect unstable people and anger people with bragging. Those people, they don't brag. They have problem. They have their personal problem. They all have issue. Okay, they have issue. Okay, God bless you. So jealousy, normally jealousy, you can connect it. Connect jealousy, not just a feeling of insecurity, lack of something, because a lack of possession or safety, whatever. I feel of insecurity. She have it, I don't have it. I will more commit to have it. I wish I can play all the video about this house for 5 years. This month make it 5 years. Today, exactly, make it 5 good years. I packing into this house. That was 2015. Make it 5 good years. I just started to sleep this house. Today make it 5 good years. When they sleep this very house. 5 years. And in that 5 years, I never sleep at once. Say I can't go out and not come back. Can't sleep. Okay, I don't sleep. I don't sleep for one of my parents' house. That was 2018. Yes, I don't feel like the day when fight happen here, where police come. Yeah, I don't sleep for another person's house. It don't reach how many days. But for that 5 years, I did inside this Victoria, this land. I never sleep out of Victoria. Say I can't travel, go on that place. I can't sleep till day break. No, I did this Victoria. I did this VI. I did Victoria, Castel, Spain for these 5 years. If I play this video, the video of what don't happen for my house to people, my dear, people when they have film, they go hurt many. They use an art films, which I write many for grant. They use an art films, and the film go blow. See happen for here, for my house. You consider what they call bragging. Now I understand that we all are from different background. We have different education. Our education is not the same. Our own training is not the same. Because I don't see people, different character, different attitude, the way they think, the way they behave, the way they talk. For these 5 years, the only time I sleep out, because I'm not feeling like yes, I sleep out the day when that one tried to stab me with knife. When one of them tried to stab me with knife, I sleep out. Yes, that day I go sleep for one person's house, but inside this Victoria. That's the only time I pack out of my house because I was afraid of the person. Okay, so don't connect unstable people and anger people with bragging. Some people they don't brag, and they just say betrayal. Betrayal don't have anything to do with bragging. People that will betray you, I know how to explain this one. They know they brag. Their plan is to destroy. They're going to betray you. Don't be bragging. Bragging say I go do one. He go say I go do one, but he don't go do one and brag. This one, what they say they will do, that is what they will do. They want to betray. They betray you clean. Nothing they happen. They go betray you. They go destroy you everything. So there is no connection. There's no connection. So don't even try to connect betrayal and bragging. No. People brag. Fake one, original one, that is bragging. Betrayal? No connection. No triumph. No connection. Betrayal, they're very different. See, their matter wide, it big. According to Edo Pikin, he go say, the thing it don't live here, it they live overseas. This one I be oga pata of everything where they teach. This one all this thing betrayal, forget betrayal. Betrayal don't brag. They have their plans, they have their goals. They know the way they manipulate things. They know the way they do things. They know the way they push things. They don't brag. Their focus is to betray you. So that from the very moment, from the very day, they don't say, we are going to betray this person, we are going to destroy her. They know their plan, they will work to achieve it. That's betrayal. Forget them. They can betray anytime. So trust nobody. Okay? Trust nobody. Unreliable person, because that person they make math, because you cannot this one na math day, no man now. So they talk anyhow, you know if you do one. That cannot, you know, not depend on that. But this one, be fair. They set their goals, they make their plans, they work towards it, they go achieve one. They go, if God not save you, they go, they go do you the thing. They go yearize your life. They go memorize, stabilize everything, your life. They go dabaru everything for you. Betrayal, forget it. Then you say greed, my dear. Greed don't have anything to do with bragging. Greedy people don't brag. Trust me. Greedy people, they don't brag. They want to make the money, the wealth, forget the matter. Greed is selfish desire. People that have selfish interest in things. Selfish desire for things, especially for wealth, power, and food. They don't brag. Like those that keep COVID-19 palliative food, they go ahead that they want share out for people for their birthday. You want to say they want brag? That is not bragging. That is greedy. That is wicked. That is evil. Okay? It is selfish desire. It is a desire to have everything. They want to have everything. They want to have the power. They want to have the money. They want to have the food in their possession. They want to have everything. They want to have it for themselves, by themselves, and use it for themselves. So you cannot connect greed with bragging. Okay? Greed can bragging can come out of jealousy. Normal, out of jealousy. People brag out of jealousy. Maybe now you ask what I don't have. Like me too, I'm in Spain now. When in Nigeria, me too, because I'm seeing what that person have in Nigeria. I don't have it. I don't have it. That person is better than me million times. Unless something to this, because I don't want to feel say myself. I don't. This will not pass me. I don't want me. They come. They form my hand. I will start my bragging. I live in Spain, in Victoria Gasteiz. Maybe I could go learn some kind of stupid English. Maybe say if I talk and you can't understand me again. And here is Spain. You guys, are you speaking Spanish, French, Dutch, or English? You not go know. You don't want to speak again. Because I want to belong. I want to be there. You cannot say what happen. Not to first gotta go from primary school now. You gotta go to secondary school. Why you go there? Mr. I want out of jealous at the end of the day. My friends know me. I don't bother. They come and say, find me something. You person they hungry. Say you in the Europe. That is not the grand. If your friends something, but they be what's in here? We say this word because I cannot come and be bragging to you. I cannot go say if you call step from my house. I'll say good. I'll call your house. You come my house. What they talk for them? So I cannot bragging. Wow, call they brag. And I love my friends. They can't even brag to me. They only pray for me. God will do it. I will celebrate you. We do that. Don't worry. I'm praying for all the time when I'm fasting. I only put in my prayer. That is just it. I love them for that. I pray for you. You are doing great. Don't worry. I love the way you talk now. Before you to start my very way now, you can control it. That is it. I cannot call my friend and be telling them, do you know this? No. And my friend too, they don't even brag. You cannot. My friend, we don't even talk about their husbands. My friend, the men when they cannot talk about their wife. Because that will not be our gist. Our gist is different. We just life. Forget their family different. Everybody they had a family. So maybe we just our life. There is no bragging. So people say, do you know, I just got my wife the new car. I just got my wife this bragging. Everything bragging. Bragging. That is life for you. So we don't. So greed is different from bragging. These people that we call selfish desire, selfish interest. Everybody is selfishness. I want to have the power. I want to have the money. They want to keep everything for themselves. Everything. They think everything in life is about money. So these people, don't even joke with them. Either fake or original bragging. These people, they don't brag. They are wicked people. When you say dangerous people, oh my goodness, my dear, you cannot connect dangerous with bragging. People are dangerous. They are dangerous. That is simple. Dangerous people. They don't brag. They say, if I talk and go do one. Oh, talking and do. Talk and do people. They say they brag. That one made that mistake. So if you want to title a message, do your research. Sit down. Study everything you want to tell people. And come out with good things. Say good things to others. We are buying them. Say good things to your viewer, to your audience, to your team, to your group, to your followers, because they are buying them. What you teach them, they will use it in their houses, in their home, among their friends. They will use it to educate their children too. That is the reason you need to teach people the main right things. Say what is right to us. Say the right thing to us, and when we buy them, we'll be happy. Okay, I don't hate any presenter here. I don't hate anybody. That is me for you. But if you are wrong, you are wrong. If you are right, you are right. That is me. I don't do competition with people. If I like, I get one viewer. That is my personal problem, not yours. I know how to get my message to reach people. Okay, I don't care about the comments, about the calls, about all the likes, everything. If you like it, good. Thank you, I appreciate you. If you don't, good. But all I want is, if I say talk for 3 hours, if it's one thing, pick it and use it. Save yourself, save your family member, save your children, and save your environment, save your society. You are born to be a solution creator, not a problem creator. Okay, so sometimes I need to repeat what I have said before. Repeating them what I said before. The reason I continue repeating what I said before, because I am seeing things that is not right. So until we get it right, we will not rest. Until we get it right, we will continue to teach you the right thing. I will continue to kick against every wrong teaching on social media. Because dangerous people, they don't brag. Stay away from anything called dangerous. Beware of anything, whether human or thing, whatever. Stay away from everything that attack dangerous. Friendship is not by force. When you hear dangerous, stay away. Withdraw yourself. Because people, they don't brag. They said it and they will do it. Okay? Okay? Able are likely to cause harm or injury. Okay? They cause problem for people. That's dangerous people. Okay? So there's connection between jealousy and unreliable with bragging. You can group that 3 things together. Okay? Because when someone continues bragging, they want to achieve something. They want to bring someone down. They want to limit someone. They want to make you feel that they are better than you, or they have more than you, or they have what you have too. I say, me too. Everything about their life is me too. they will wait for you to achieve, to have it, to continue say, me too, and me too. Okay? God bless every one of you. So I'm about to go now because I want to do another live broadcast again this evening. God bless every one of you. So if you listen to my message today, here is my advice and my opinion to people. I am not forcing you because it is your choice. You can listen to anybody, you can watch anybody, you can be member, team, followers of anyone on social media. But remember, they are not perfect and they are not saints. I will still repeat, separate their ways. Take the good ones and leave the bad ones with them. Don't make use of everything they said. As I'm talking now, I will watch this video later and say, okay, what I said here is wrong. I will change it. So that is the reason you must listen to people very carefully. Don't follow everything they say. Follow the one that is good. Some teachers lie. Me shall know how to lie very well. And when you catch them, they will tell you, okay, I don't know how to lie. That's the reason you caught me. I caught you, fine. I catch you. I don't catch you red-handed. So what they are teaching you, it is not right. Wrong teaching, it is wrong decision. Wrong teaching is wrong behavior. Wrong teaching, it is wrong attitude. Okay? Separate everything they do. Take the good ones and leave the bad ones with them. Okay? Stay away from anything called dangerous. Don't judge unstable people. Learn how to calm people down when they are angry. They are not bragging, they are angry. Okay? They are not angry, they are not angry, they are not bragging, they are angry. And identify greed. Identify greed. That word called greed. Identify them very well. So people are very greedy. Selfish, greedy, dangerous. Let me tell you. Connect greed with dangerous. They will work together. That you will not have betrayal to it. These three ways. Greed. Greed. Dangerous and betrayal. A traitor. They can betray you because of power. They can betray you because of wealth, because of money. So these people should be in the same group. Greed, betrayal, and dangerous people. They should be in the same group. And you now connect anger with unstable people. Okay? Just connect anger and unstable together. Then you will now connect jealousy and unreliable people with bragging. So now, three different teaching. Okay? You divide into three different groups. Betrayal, greed, and dangerous. They will be in one group. Then you now set unstable and anger, put them in one group. Jealousy, unreliable, and bragging in one group. Three different teaching. Now I am not doing promotion. If I want to do promotion, this three good topic. I know how to do research, how to add things to it, and because this is not my topic. It's not my topic. I'm just trying to correct. Something. As we should face, all of us should face the reality of life. That's what I'm doing here. If I want to teach it, man, let me do the reanalysis. Let me take this thing out. I will divide it to 3 groups. It is 3 different groups. Betrayer, greed, and dangerous people. They should be the same in the same group. Then I will not take jealousy, reliable, and bragging, the same group. Then I will take unstable and anger. Because these people, sometimes it is not well with them. Things is not okay with them. They are not fine. Okay? They are not fine. So you don't judge them. These people, they are not bragging. They're not just okay in here. Everything is not fine in here. They have problem in here. God bless every one of you. Those that will watch this video and those that will watch it later. God bless you all. Remember, I am a Samara. And if you believe that, this girl, I just understand her, but people will not understand that. You are free. Pick the topic. They do it. Let people hear it. Save your environment. Save your children. Save your society. Save yourself. Okay? We need to regulate our life before we can regulate social media. Because that one, now my topic, I'm still coming. That is my topic. It's my topic. I'm coming. So you cannot regulate social media when you have unregulated people. Very, very irregulate, scattered, unarranged people in your country. Okay? God bless you. So that is my topic for another day. Today, I'm trying to correct something. So if I am wrong, you are free to correct me. It doesn't mean that you have to comment or call me. Just do video. Don't worry. Put in a place that me, I can see it. I will watch the video. I love to learn from people. I learn from everybody. Okay? So this topic is 3 people. You cannot there. One, let me tell you something. There is one person cannot possess all this character. Forget it. One person. We should face reality. So don't bring anyone down. Don't try to bring people down. One person cannot have all this attitude. No. Because people as unstable people, they cannot possess all this character. Here you have different people with different character. We have different faces, and our character is different. Our way of life, the way we think, is very different. Okay? God bless every one of you. So this is my advice to you all. Please say what is right to your viewers, to your followers, to your family members, to your friends, to your audience, to your group, and to your team. Okay? Because what you teach, people will use it. I love every one of you. God bless you all. No one can bring me down because I don't bring people down. I talk to people. I correct people the way people correct me. To many people, they correct me in their show. They are the one correcting my English speaking. English. Once I speak English, when it's bad speaking, once I correct here. So they are the one correcting my English speaking. Okay, they will correct me when I did not say where they will tell me how to do it. They will say it so that I can know how to say it. So we learn from people. God bless you and happy evening to every one of you. I'm about to go now because I have another show. I have another live show again right away. Okay, I still have time. I have a live show by 7 o'clock. So God bless every one of you. That's one of my good topic because I'm happy to do that show. I'm excited to do that show on my celebrity gist and post. Today I'm talking about Wunmi Toriola because I saw what she posted yesterday. I comment and she replied me. But I love to face reality of life. So I'll talk about that post today. I'm going there to talk about this post. So that is just it. I love every one of you. What do I people? I love you all. But to me, I like to figure things out and they separate things. Okay, if you want to teach this thing very well, go down to research. Because if I say, okay, let me just do research now, I want to sit down, it will take me days. Because I love to provide solution. I don't love to talk about talk. No, I love to provide solution. I love to find way out. Okay, I love to find way out. So sometimes, if you have experience, you have many experience in life. When people are talking, you can easily relate. When you are watching them, you can say, but God, then these people, how them be? It don't happen to me before now. So you can easily, because this when I was watching, I was just laughing because I can easily relate. People do brag. They brag. Bragging out of jealousy. At the end of the day, you can just tap bragging and jealousy, they're together like this. They're together like this. I just bought a car. Who asked you? Who asked you? And bragger can be very manipulative. They know how to manipulate people. I told you this is my topic, so I will bring my topic out. The way bragger manipulates people. They will motivate you. They can motivate you out of your vision. They will motivate you out of your dream. They can motivate you out of your career. They can change your life with bragging. This much, their mouth. Only a sugar they there. They go brag you into shame. They will brag you into disgrace. They will brag you from hero to become zero. They will brag you from grace to grass. Bragging? Trust me. Connect bragging and jealousy together. You can't hide unreliable people, join them. That three things, they're all good to go. Some people, you don't even know them, they don't even know you. See you, they want to remove you out of that line. Because you they overshadow them, you they over your own is too much, ne? They feel too big, ne? We want to bring her down. They can go together. So people can become your friend just to know your movements. That is the reason you tell me, what is your plan tomorrow? Why do you want to know my plan tomorrow? The question is, why do you want to know my plans tomorrow? Where are you going tomorrow? Why do you want to know? If the thing is too much, I will tell you so. I will going out and I will stay in my house. Well, if that okay, fine. I don't even talk. Tomorrow, I will be there tomorrow. I will pass there. You won't go wait for me for road. That's just it. So we should educate people in the right way. All friends and not friends. They can become your friend. You are talking, they record you. They record everything. Okay? You are talking, they record everything. They want to know your movements. Out of jealousy. That's what braggers do. They are looking for a way to overthrow you, to remove you out of line. And anything you said can be the next topic. They will use it against you at the end of the day. So be wise. Be very, very wise. Braggers can be very friendly. They can be very, very friendly, close people, close friends. And they are the braggers. So be very wise. Make use of your common sense all the time. Don't miss something. Because people are going through a lot in their personal life. If I have personal problem and you are disturbing me, I can easily get angry. I am not a bragger. I don't brag. I am angry at a vex. I can be unstable. That does not make me a bragger. Okay? I can be an unstable person. It does not make me a bragger. If you are a good person, you need to find out what is wrong with me. You cannot call me a bragger because I am unstable. Okay? So, don't judge what you don't know. Don't teach what you don't know. Don't give people name. Okay? Okay? Because we have many things that triggers anger. Many things they trigger this anger. Injustice, number one, can just make someone become a very aggressive, angry person. Injustice. So you cannot call that kind of person a bragger. She or he have a problem. Problem that need to be solved. When someone become unstable, find out what is wrong with that person. Don't call he or she a bragger. They are not bragging. They have problem. It is an emotional problem. They can be very happy, very stable, very happy. This means that means they have changed. Something crossed their mind. Something entered their head. They remember something that made them feel sad and get angry. They are not braggers. They just have problem. Okay? God bless you all. Don't miss things. And don't give people names. Learn how to solve problem. Don't mock people. You don't know what they are going through in their personal life. Doing live video, try to create contents. Does not make me or anyone a perfect person. I have my personal problem. To talk, it is a therapy. Sometimes by talking, you also free your mind. By listening to people, you also free your mind. Some people can be explaining their personal life to you. You will not know. All they want is solution. So we don't judge people. Braggers, they are everywhere. And they brag everything. They brag about everything. They brag. I've seen it. Mother of celebrities. Mother of this. Mother of that. The way they be doing it, you'll be looking at them and say, what is it? So if you are not wise enough, imagine if that person is an unstable person and you continue bragging about your achievement and that person is not stable, it can lead to depression. When braggers brag, depressed people get more depressed. When people that love to brag continue bragging, when they finish bragging today, all the depressed people, they will get more depressed. They will be more unstable because of what you just told them, the way you brag about everything you have in your life. Brag about your husband, about your children, about your wife, about your car, about your house, about this, about that, you brag about everything you have in your life. And I don't have anything.
Imagine if I am unstable person, I have problem with my emotions and everything, and I see all these people. We say many years in this Europe, no husband, no children, no wife, no car, no house, nothing, nothing in your name. I will go into depression, cry, getting angry. That's what brag people are doing to people. That's what they did to people many times. Sometimes I look at them, all these things are material things. Material. Very simple thing. Having a children does not make you a saint. Criminals are giving birth. And when I told them this one, you will see their head will be, all their hair will red, they want to cry. It is true. Stop telling me about your personal children. Because having a children does not make you a saint. Criminals are giving birth. 419 give birth. Looters, they are giving birth. Witch and wizard, Babalawo, they are giving birth. So having a children does not make you a saint. Does not make you a good person. Say, go into the word and multiply. It is the word of God. And none of your word will return back to him void. Because whatever he said that he will do, that is what he will do. He is a covenant keeping God. If God can give birth, fowl can still lay egg and bring that chicken. Human being will give birth. So having a children does not make you a saint. They will tell you, now the back of innocent person, now God they stay. Ẹ̀yin olódodo ni Ọlọ́run wà. Ọwọ́ iye kọ́mẹ̀sì ọ̀ọ́sọ̀rọ̀ bọ́yá mudiaji. That is their word. If you are not wise enough, you will go into depression because of the way they brag. People have their personal problem. So remember, if you are in this issue today, don't cry because of anybody. Remember this. Having a child or children does not make anyone a saint. Some mother are just mother by grace. Some father are father by grace. Okay? And if you don't have children, you can give birth to something else. Go into the world and multiply, not in one area, in every area. Go to another field and multiply in another field. If God will bless you with a child, he will bless you. It's a covenant keeping God. And none of your word will change. It stand, it remain for everlasting to everlasting. Dear brothers and sisters, learn how to educate people. People are going through a lot. Don't break them down. Don't destroy them. Correct their teaching. Don't gather your viewers to talk about them. Allow people to make friends if they want to. It is not by force. Don't manipulate them. Free people. Let them go. The life is too small for us to have issues everywhere. Enjoy your life. Feel free. Don't brag. Learn from people. Help people. Ask questions. Call people. Reach out to them. Smile with them. Play with them. Joke with them. Some people will call me. Out of you talking and just talking, hey, so you are like this. I don't even know this is the first time we are talking. I love you the way you talk. You play with me, you joke with me, you free with me. Yes, because as talk to me, I'm writing, I'm still learning. My next topic can be what we discuss. Because I'm learning about things about life. Someone called me one day and he was telling me something that I will not say. The way I talk to the person, He said to me, I wish you were my wife. He said, hey, I wish you don't free my mind. Hey, I was crying, you don't free my mind. I wish you were my wife. You are better than what people think. Move on. Don't listen to braggart. A lot of brag. Don't continue bragging. And move on with your life. If you're unstable, look for help. If it's okay, I come to people, pray to God. Go to Google everything. Explain yourself to Google. They will tell you what to go, the next step to take. Be happy. Just be happy. Life goes on. Life is like that. Don't cry. Don't go into depression. Presenters, don't bring anybody down. People are trying to be speaking. Speaking, it is therapy. And maybe the only joy they get is to be speaking. That is the place they will find their peace. By saying things out. We laugh, we joke, we play. That is life for you. God bless every one of you and have a lovely evening. Remember, stay away from anything called dangerous. Anything that they tag dangerous, just stay away. These people, they're not braggers. If they say they will do it, they mean it. And this teaching is 3 groups, it's 3 different kind of teaching. Because one person cannot possess all this character. That's just the pure truth. These people, anger, unstable, they have problems. Problems that need to be attended to. They need to be. You need to help them out. Someone is unstable. 1 minute happy, and that minute depressed, get anger. Good evening, dear my love. God bless you. Okay, someone is unstable. They need help. Find out what is going on with them. Why are you like this? You are happy. Next time you are not happy. Tell me what is going on. Play with them, joke with them, make them spend, make them laugh. Don't give them name. They are not braggers. They are not braggers. God bless you. Finally, I will tell you the reason all movies have title because there is a connection between the title and what they are trying to ask. There's a connection between there's a connection. They will connect their title with their story. Presenters, let your topic and what you are trying to teach connect. Okay, that's my begging. All movies have title, and their story is connected to the title. So, presenter, please learn. If you want to quit saga, you want to be a teacher, please learn how to teach. Let your topic and everything you want to teach have connection. Connected together. Let it be one. All movies have title, and the story is connected to the title. I love you all. God bless you. See you soon, because I am here to talk about Wunmi Toriola. God bless you. Have a lovely, lovely Saturday evening and a blessful Sunday tomorrow. Don't forget to pray for your nation. Pray for Nigeria. Pray for everybody worldwide. Pray for Africa. They need you. They need your prayer. So solution is what we need. God bless you. Bye-bye, everyone of you. Remember, I said it made your friend, your sister, your pikin. Faith in Nagbari Osamoyi. Many people call me divine faith or the talkative lady. I've been a pikin and a sister. I've been a brother. I don't feel beat. When I see people, I see cry. When I see compare to me. I love una. Bye, everyone. Ciao, ciao. God bless you all. Bye. My love. See you. I'll call you, man. No verse for me. I love every one of you. I'll call you, okay? Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao.